Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing well and ready for today's session, isn't it? Dear children, today we are going to solve workbook questions, all right, from page number 24. So let's start. The very first question is multiple choice question. All right, add and choose the correct number for the sum. So let's count together. How many people are there over here? Let's count together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Then over here 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27. So dear children, the correct answer is 27. All right, write down over here 27 and the correct option is B. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Let us count together how many people are there all together. All right, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. There are 24 peoples. All right, so option A is correct. Write down over here as 24 and the correct option is A. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Question number 3. Let's count the number of people over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23. So the correct answer is option B. Write down over here 23 and the correct option is B. Alright, I hope all of you are clear, isn't it? Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 4. The sum of 25 and 25 is, so you have to add 25 and 25. Let us write over here. Just for your convenience, I am writing 25 plus 25. Alright, now 5 plus 5 is how much? 10. Write 0 over here and we have a carry 1. Then 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. So the correct answer is 50. Alright, so the correct option is A. Answer is 50. Alright, and write down over here as A. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Which is the missing digit in 45 plus 48 equal to dash 3? You have to find out the missing digit over here. So let us add together 45 plus 48. Okay, let me write over here. We will write the given sum vertically. 45 plus 48. Let's see. Now 8 plus 5 is 13. We have a carry 1. Then 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So write down over here 9. So the missing digit is what, dear children? The missing digit is 9. Alright. So write down over here 9. And which is the correct option here? D. Give a tick mark in D and write down over here D. Alright. Now the next question. The sum of 300 and 500 is dash. Alright. So just write down over here. It will be easy for you. 300 plus 500. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 5 is 8. So the correct answer is what, dear children? 800. Alright, write down over here 800. And which is the correct option from here? Number D. Alright, and write down over here as D. Okay, I hope all of you are clear, isn't it? Now let's move on to the next question. Now the next question. Fill in the blanks. Question number 7. 22 plus 38 is equal to 38 plus dash. This is an example of commutative property. Alright, dear children. So what will be here? 22 plus 38 is equal to 38 plus 22. Okay. Now question number 8. We regroup the sum if the sum of the digit is more than dash. So dear children, just remember that when we regroup the sum, alright, we always try to regroup only the number when it is more than 9. Alright, so the correct answer will be 9. Clear? Now the next question. Question number 9. While adding two numbers, always start from the dash. Dear children, when we add two numbers, we always starts from ones place. Alright, we always starts from ones place. Clear? I hope all of you are clear. Now let's move on to the next question. Should we regroup if the sum of the digit is 9? The answer is no. Alright, the answer is no. When we regroup, dear children, we regroup the sum if the sum of the digit is more than 9, not equal to 9. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. What is the sum of 78 and 0? Again, I am repeating. What is the sum of 78 and 0? The answer is 78. Okay. 78 plus 0 is equal to 78. Alright. The next question. 16 plus 13 is equal to 13 plus 16 is equal to 29. What property does this addition statement show? So the correct answer is commutative property. Alright, commutative property. Commutative property. Okay, the correct answer is what? Commutative property. Alright. Question number 13. Add vertically 28 and 18. We have to add the numbers 28 and 18. So let's add together. 8 plus 8 is what, dear children? 16, isn't it? 8 plus 8 is 16. And we have to regroup it. Alright, so we will write 6 under the ones place and this one will be carry over here. Alright, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So the correct answer is 46. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. 14 and 16. Alright, we have to add vertically. So you write down first the numbers vertically. 14 and 16. Alright, now we have to add. Now 6 plus 4 is 10. Isn't it, dear children? And we have to regroup this number because it is more than 9. Alright, so we will write this 0 over here under the ones place and this 1 will get carry over the tens place. Alright, now we have to add this 3 digits together. Alright, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So the correct answer is 30. Alright. Dear children, let us solve question number 14. Solve using vertical addition. As we have learned in earlier classes that this orange color blocks represents 10 tens, which means 100, isn't it? So there are 4 such blocks, isn't it? 4 such yellow blocks. So if 1 represent 100, then 4 will represent how many? 4 will represent 400. Alright, so just for your convenience, I am writing at the top 400. Okay, now here this purple color blocks is equal to 10 ones. Alright, 10 ones means how much, dear children? 10, isn't it? So there are 4 such blocks. So it will be how much altogether? It will, if 1 is equal to 10, then 4 such blocks will be equal to 40. So for your convenience, I have written at the top as 40. Now this green color block is 1, just 1. So you just write over here 1. So total will be how much? Total will be 441. Alright, 441. So the first number will be what, dear children? 441. Alright, so you have to solve using vertical addition. So we got our first number. First number is what? 441. Alright, now the second number. What is the second number? This pink color blocks is equal to how much? This is equal to 100. So there are 3. So it will be how much in total? 300. Alright, so for your convenience, I'm writing at the top 300. Alright, and how many green color blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green color blocks, isn't it? So you write down here 4. So what is the number? The number is 304. Alright, 304. So write down over here 304. Okay, now if you are having some doubts that how we got these two numbers, let me repeat again. Here we are having, for the first number, okay, here we are having 400. So just write down over here as 400. Then next number is what? 40. Alright, 40. Then 1, isn't it? So we will have to add up these three numbers. Okay, so when we'll add up, we will get 441. So this is our first number. Alright, this is our first number. So we have written over here 441. Okay, now how we have obtained the second number? First, you will write 300 plus, what is this? 4. Okay, so when we will add together both the numbers, we will get 304. So we will write this 304 over here. Okay, now you have to add these two numbers, and as we know that we will start from the ones place. Okay, so 4 plus 1 is how much? 5. 4 plus 0, 4. Then 4 plus 3, 7. So our answer is what, dear children? 745. Okay, so I hope all of you are clear with this question, isn't it? So dear children, I hope that you all are clear with today's objective, isn't it? So with this, finally I'll end today's session by saying, dear children, enjoy your online classes. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.